How's it going, everyone? Hopefully you guys are having a good day. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. And first things first, I am on a gravel road to a little stream where we're gonna go test out one of my fishing lures that I make. If you're new here, my name is Byron. I'm a 16-year-old that travels out of my truck part-time and also runs a fishing lure business, and also I sell t-shirts and stuff. But other than that, today's video is just going to be, I'm not sure. I really don't know what it's titled, but I'm sure it's titled something really cool because that's why you clicked on this video. But we're going to keep driving, wave at some horses, and I will see you guys at the spot. It's just down the road, little ways, so I'll see you then. And as you can tell, it's kind of like a spillway. Not gonna lie, there's like no fish in here, so it'd be really crazy if we caught something here. This is more just like a testing ground, I guess. I'll show you guys the bait. The bait we're testing is one I make, by the way. I haven't really made that apparent, but this is something I make in my shed, handmade completely by me. Got multiple colors here. This is the 2-inch version. Sorry, this is like not a. It's like a little paddle tail for bass, crappie, all sorts of stuff. Just basically want to rig it up like a normal swim bait through the back, and then push to the top of the jig head, just like that. So let's go try this version out, and then there's also a 1.5 inch that we're gonna try out. Water is kind of murky, so I'll do my best. Luckily we're using, oh yeah. That was a good one. Look at the action on that thing. That is fantastic. It's awesome. Now we're gonna be doing the 1.5 inch version. I've been doing chartreuse for this one. The only real big difference in between the two is obviously the length, but this one is a fatter profile, as you can see, way fatter. So I guess it's all just preference, but they both work amazing. All right, let's go test this one out. I mean, you can't just not take a few casts, even though, you know, there's no fish here. But I'm really excited for open water fishing to be coming soon, so something to look forward to. Definitely do not want to go in the drink right there. That'd be pretty bad. But cool little spot to come test out a lure. Gonna keep on moving forward, and it's almost time for dinner, and we're gonna be doing something different tonight. So a lot of times on this channel I've made steak, and we're doing it again. But I have some dehydrated meals here. Ready Wise, never heard of this company, but my grandma decided to give me some. So we're gonna have that as dessert. We have a strawberry granola that I think sounds pretty dang good. So let's get on the road driving and get to our camp spot. Well, I'm starving and we're at the, I don't even know if I'm staying here. For some reason I'm very like indecisive where I want to stay tonight. And I mean, this spot could probably work, but tonight is Sunday night, so I do need to do a YouTube live tonight. If you don't know, every Sunday night is YouTube live. Nice and quiet around here. Clouds are doing some weird stuff. Alright, let's get cooking some steak and a dehydrated meal. But if you are new here, this is my camp setup. Just have a simple L-shaped design here with a pull-out with all the cooking utensils and everything of that nature. But tonight, we do have a new addition. We have this fridge that is keeping our very stocked inventory of food full, as you can tell. And yeah, it's my first time ever using it in the truck camper setup for all night. So that's going to be included in my next truck build. So I just want to, do a little test run with it. And so far, it's holding up pretty good. Simple as that. Heat that pan up and get that steak all ready. Got some new steak seasoning to try out. I got this for Christmas, some High Plains steak seasoning. Also have one more new addition. That's this trash can right here. I had this on my Amazon wish list and someone got it for me. So if you're the person who got it for me, thank you so much. That just adds so much. It's also very practical. While the steak's cooking, I put it on low, and I think it'd be pretty good to have a fire. So I think I'm gonna make one right here. The only bad thing is it's been pretty wet recently. So I don't know how good this will light up, but we'll try. All right, we're gonna be taking this plate here, folding her up, and using this to try and get the thing started. This steak is smelling amazing. A little burnt here, but that never hurts anyone. It's time to pick out one of these meals. I'll tell you what they are. Well, the ones I might try. We got strawberry granola crunch and then apple cinnamon cereal. I think we should just try the strawberry granola crunch tonight and then maybe the cereal one tomorrow morning. Yep, here it is right there. So I'm gonna take the steak off and then boil some water and put it in here. Boom, right there. Probably won't need that even that much, but more never hurts anyone. All right, wait for that to boil, but in the meantime, let's enjoy the steak. Ah. Definitely a well done type of night, but that's all right. More and more I do this, this is just what I realized. This is all a man needs. A fire, a truck camping setup, and just something to look at. Oh, can't forget the steak. Always have to have a steak. All right, we got some boiling water here. Let's do this without dumping it on my hand. Smells pretty good, so let's try it out. It's definitely not bad. It will definitely get you by, like camping out in the mountains and whatnot. I mean, it's average. It's not really good. It's not really bad though. It's enjoyable. About time to do my YouTube live for the night. So I'm gonna put this video down for a little bit, and I will see you guys after this live. But overall, this camp's going pretty good. I think I'll camp here for the night. So it'll be good. I have no service out here, so we're actually gonna have to move this clown show to kind of civilization. So yeah, let me get driving home, do the live, and then I'll pick it back up. Smells like a steak back here. Get this propane going. It's time to get tucked into bed. I'm tired. Yeah, if you guys aren't familiar, this is my homemade truck camping setup. All this stuff was built by me last spring, and I'm actually going to redo the build in a few months, the oncoming spring. So if you guys have any recommendations for me, I do want to utilize every single square inch of space I have in here. I'm planning on doing, like, if you guys watch the YouTuber Mav, he has a setup which is I'm a really big fan of. I'll just throw a picture up on the screen, but I'm really a fan of that, so I might try and do something closer to that, but not exactly, just add my own twist on it. But yeah, I definitely need to do something else other than this. But that's for a later video. Right now we just gotta enjoy what we have and get all tucked in, ready to go to bed. I'm tired. I'm ready to go to bed. I have a big day tomorrow. I just got to do a lot of work. So if you guys are liking this video so far and you aren't already subscribed, make sure to please hit that like and subscribe button. Greatly appreciate it. Also, go pick up some of the new merchandise I'll throw up on the screen right now. Real good, high quality stuff, man. So go make sure to go check that out. But other than that, I really have nothing else for you guys. So I'm going to put the cameras down for the night, and I'll see you guys in the morning. Smells like it's gonna rain. Warm meal fired up. Just get some boiling water going and make a dehydrated meal. Apple cinnamon cereal. Sounds good enough to me. Start off with that. Smells delicious. Oh, that's good. That was good. It's always nice to just go down to the river and eat some breakfast. Just enjoy what Mother Nature puts in front of your face. Kind of itching to get back on the road for a road trip. Maybe just a few dare. I have a track coming up. I'm still in high school, so I do some sports. But track's gonna occupy quite a bit of my time, so maybe I can sneak out for a weekend coming up soon. Maybe go on a road trip with one of my buddies or something just to do it and make a memory. But I think part of the reason I slept so good was the pillowcase I was sleeping on. Yeah, look at that pillowcase. Isn't that nice? Nice vintage look. Oh, you're in luck. You can go pick one of those up at byronsbaits.com. My grandma makes them. They're completely handmade. So you're getting good quality straight from grandma's house. Me and Tundi would like to say goodbye to you guys for this video. We've had a great time. Thank you so much for coming along with this adventure. This was quite a random one. I don't even know what I'm going to call it. Maybe like a spontaneous night or something. A lot kind of went on. But yeah, it was a fun time. I really enjoyed this one. And if you would be so kindly to check out my website, even if you go look at it, that's all that matters. I think you should like it. It's byronsbaits.com. Make sure to go pick up a bumper sticker right here. Exploring Salt Pour. Really good quality. I don't sell anything that's bad quality, so you're in luck if you want good quality. But other than that, I really have nothing for you guys. Just thank you for tuning in again, and I hope to see you in about 4 days. So, as always, I'll see you in the next one. Peace.
Peace out. How do I stop it?